In today's video, we're going to be talking about Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal opposite reaction. So in today's video, we're just going to be demonstrating that law. So for this first demonstration, we're going to be using a straw, thread, tape, balloon. And if you want, you can put the thread from one part of the balloon to the other. So we take the balloon and we just start blowing it. Alright, it seems like enough. Alright, so we have our balloon. We will just stick it. Right, now that's securely fastened on both sides. We will now push it to the end and we'll let go. And then we'll observe what happens. Alright, so here's what happened. So first, when we put it over here, what happened is that all the air was now starting to move over here, but the motion was happening at the opposite end. Hence, Newton's third law is stated. Every action, though air moving would be the action, has an equal opposite reaction, the motion moving at the opposite pace. So this proves Newton's third law. This is the first demonstration. Let's move on to the next one. In the earlier demo, we tried to go from there to here. Now we're going to do the opposite from here to there. So we have done everything ready. 3, 2, 1. Yep, and just wherever you are, it still works. So this proves that from wherever direction you are, it will still work. What's happening is that the air inside the balloon was being pushed that side, hence creating the motion, and it was moving this side. You're having the opposite reaction, hence Newton's third law works here too. Alright, so let's take this rubber ball. We're going to be dropping it on the ground, and let's see how Newton's third law is going to be demonstrated here. Alright, so when I dropped it, what happens is that when I dropped it, that was the action, the gravitational pull. But when it was dropped, when it hits the ground is creating an equal opposite reaction by making it come up. So, action, then opposite reaction when it hits the ground. So, this is how Newton's third law is also demonstrated. Here the action is happening, and then the ground is creating an equal opposite reaction by making it spring up. Demonstration number 4, we're going to be demonstrating Newton's third law by using these marbles. So you need 2 marbles, one over here, one over here. One marble is going to remain stationary while the other marble is going to remain in motion. Let's see how Newton's third law is going to be demonstrated. We're going to be hitting this marble to that marble and see what happens to the 2 marbles. I'm pretty sure you already have it in your head. Alright, so let's see what happened. So when we hit the marble, it created an action of hitting it, but there was also the opposite reaction of it kind of slowing and changing trajectory. Hence, that's how Newton's third law was demonstrated in this kind of scenario. The action would be it hitting the marble, but the opposite reaction of the marble that was hitting this marble is that it changed the trajectory, and also it was slowed down a bit. In conclusion, Newton's third law is that every action has an equal or opposite reaction, and this law can be applied to all forces in our lives.